Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial we will learn how can we find the maximum in the selected project. So I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say, and without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, first let's select a cell, or we can say select a column or a row, and after selecting, whatever will be the answer will printed on the next cell. Like here I'm selecting from C4 to J4 and the answer will be here at K4. After selecting, click on home, and in this editing group just click on this max on auto sum arrow. Here I'm selecting max and you can see the maximum is here is 60. Get it? And again, if like in this cell from C9 to J9, here I have to find the maximum digit, then just after selecting just click on home, and again in the auto sum arrow click max. You can see here guys 150 is the maximum. Again, like in this column from J3 to J18 I'm selecting, and again home, auto sum this arrow and max, then the digit will be printed on here like 60. Here it's 60 is the maximum. So that's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.